Across Europe, countries are experiencing new spikes in Covid-19 cases. In Spain, Catalonia is badly hit. Of the 16,000 cases detected nationally in 2 weeks, 8,000 were here. And as elsewhere, young people are accounting for many cases. In Barcelona, traditional beach gatherings have helped the spread. Spain's problems led to the UK abruptly imposing a 14-day quarantine on returning holidaymakers. For the Prime Minister, desperate to avoid new infections, it was the only option.
And let's be absolutely clear about what's happening in Europe, amongst some of our European friends. I'm afraid you are starting to see, in some places, the signs of a second wave of the pandemic.
Other countries might soon be added. Cases are on the rise in Belgium, where weekly infections are up 71%. In Germany, holidaymakers coming back from Spain, Turkey and the Balkans have contributed to new cases. Berlin is considering tests for citizens returning from hotspots. In France, they're registering more than 1,000 new cases every day and advising tourists to avoid Spain and Belgium. But its health minister insists talk of a second wave is wrong.
We are not facing a second wave of the coronavirus. The epidemic is continuing in a low level in certain countries and cities. We are examining the situation on a case-by-case basis. We do not want to resort to another lockdown.
That view is now supported by the World Health Organization. It says talk of seasonal waves is irrelevant with COVID-19. It's here to stay whatever the weather.
The season does not seem to be affecting the transmission of this virus currently. What is affecting the transmission of this virus is mass gatherings, is people coming together and people not social distancing, not taking the precautions to ensure they are not in close contact.
In other words, the current rise in localized infections is almost inevitable as lockdown regimes are relaxed and people start crossing Europe's borders again. The challenge will be to suppress these spikes before they multiply nationally. And given the painful lessons learned the first time round, it's hoped Europe is now better prepared to do that without resorting to the catastrophic lockdowns of March and April. Simon McGregor Wood, TRT World.